video I'm going to demonstrate you how I am working with the Macintosh 128K. It's connected by a self-made cable to USB TTY USB 0, which is connected to Raspberry Pi. It's loaded with the new Mac IP Pi software 5.0, and I'm going to put it down gently, and I'm going to start up the demo. So PPP is loaded by reboot, same as Rick, so it's running. I have inserted system 2.0 on the floppy drive inside the 120K. I open other, go to the correct drive and run PPP beta 4 release 3. Let's see. And it will connect. So yes, it's going to call Sabina PPP ready for PPP. Now I'm going to go to my desktop, which I already prepared, and as you can see, I can ping the Macintosh, no problem. I also can connect to the ports. I always have to pick what is the IP address, so we're telnetting telnet to port 20. Hello, answering hello, bye, answering bye, quit from telnet, same for port 80. Hello, bye, disconnect. So the ping is still available. You cannot telnet to port 80 and port 20 again, but that's explained by David, so that's correct. I also like to say to David that I managed to get the floppy EMU and the floppy drive of the 120K working together. So yes, you are right, you can start it up from a floppy EMU disk without a system. So I hope you like to see, like what you see. It's working very well. I posted on YouTube, so you can have a look.